Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Omphithetse, and I'm also sitting here because I just want to record a very quick video because I was just thinking about it and I thought, why not? So if you're going to judge me for saying this, I'm sorry, but these things are the things that give me the irk, done by both males and females. So I'm not even going to waste any more time because I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to start right away. So the first thing that really gives me the irk are people who call me DA. Guys, stop calling me that. I hate it so much when someone calls me dear. Like, it's just giving, okay, hi dear, I get that, but dear, it's giving you hate me. It's giving you really don't want to talk to me. It's giving you should have just let me be, because why are you calling me dear? Like, I don't know, man. It's just not a cute thing to call someone dear. Oh guys, isn't there like any other better word to call someone? Not dear. Dear is just not, it's not giving. It's not, it's giving rude. It's giving mean girl vibes, you know. It's not giving. Next thing that gives me the irk are people who make noise while they eat. I don't understand why you're making noise, because we all can see that you're eating and also eating if we're eating at the same time. But these sounds really just, like, my brother does that, and every time my brother eats, I do not sit next to him because it really irritates me. It annoys me. Like, it's giving me, I want everybody to hear that I'm eating. I want everybody to hear that I'm actually eating and I'm consuming some energy, which is so annoying. It's the same thing as people who drive this car and make this noise. Ish, my boy, just stop. And then there's men with long nails. Why are you keeping nails as a man? Unless, okay, you are Gino and you're like expressing your feminine side, but your natural nails don't have to be long. That really annoys me. And then there are people who leave dirt underneath their nails, and it's like, don't you see that your nails are dirty? And then there are people who put on nail polish and then like, yeah, and then there's like, especially those who apply white nail polish, and then they say like, I don't say calamine. Guys, and then there are ladies who wear these lace panties and then they wear jeans and something. Like, when you stand up and then we see like the lace underwear, it irritates me. It's like, we know that you're wearing underwear, but we don't necessarily have to see it. It's like men, when you see a man's crack, oh God, help me.
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Why am I seeing your crack? Your cockroach. It's really not cute. Like, okay, imagine you're with a guy in a car and he gets out like on the other side and you look and the first thing you see are his butt cheeks. And then there are people who have no sense of humor. I don't understand how people have conversations with people who do not have a good sense of humor. I'm trying to make a joke and you don't think it's a joke and you're not laughing with me. You're literally just staring at me because you don't understand what I'm saying. Are you kidding me? What?
You are kidding me. What are the odds?
Oh my God. And then there are people who squeeze toothpaste from the middle. Why are you doing that? Let's take it from the bag, baby. Let's squeeze it from not the middle. This is why I will not stay with people, because I do not understand why people squeeze toothpaste from the middle. It's giving serial killer vibes. It's giving, you don't really like yourself that much, because why are you doing that? And then there are people who do not change their teeth brushes. Oh, I also wrote that people who give me the irk are people who wear slides without socks. I personally don't understand why you're doing that to yourself. Slides, socks, cute. Slides, no socks, not cute. It's really not cute. Like, I get tlhalohang, guys, why don't you like wearing socks with your slides? Because I find it like cute and nice. Also because okay, maybe because I have sweaty feet and my feet might sweat while I'm wearing my slides without socks, so I have to wear socks so that it grips on the shoe.
I don't grip you, I grip you, man.
But if it's a lady wearing the sandals, that's cute, that's fine because they're sandals. But for slides, like, alright you guys, those are the few things that give me the irk. I did not like this video because of the lighting. It's really a bit dark here, but thank you so much for watching the video. If you watched it till this far, I'll see you guys on my next video.